Okay, hi everyone. One of my Happijac motors let go. Not the gearing. I don't think the gearing. I think the gearing's still good, but what was happening was this was acting up like a starter. It would work, not work, work, not work, slow, and then when I would tap it, it would activate. So, highly think it's some what do you call it? Brushes that are damaged. But of course, you can't just get the motor. You gotta get the whole thing. Well, that's like a $600 part. Luckily for me, I have extended warranty because this is not the first motor that's been replaced under warranty. But this is the first motor I get to keep. So I'm going to take this bad boy apart and see what it looks like inside. And if I can fix it, I'm going to. So enjoy it. Oh, look at that. The gears are out. Let's see. That's easy enough. Uncover. One gear. Second gear. I don't think I need to take that one out, but anyway. Didn't think I needed to take that one out, but whatever. So here are the two nuts to take the motor out. I wonder if I'm going to be able to get at this motor at all. It doesn't look promising, folks. Look at that. There is absolutely nothing to do with this. I'm gonna go full destroy on this. There's no way I can get this off without damaging it. Water damage. Second screw. Well, we all know what's wrong with it. Water damage. Poor design. Let's water get in there. Here's the guilty fucker. Oh, sorry about my leg. Here's the guilty guy. That's why it would work sometimes and not sometimes. But that motor, oh my God, this is dirty. You see some water damage there. The green snot was inside it and it was fully rusted anyway. So that's it, folks. This is still good though. So I'm going to keep that in case I bust one. This has nothing to do with that. Well, I could always try to fix it, but why? I got a new one on now. Okay, today I'm going to try the impossible. I'm going to try to clean this and this and get the rust out of that so I can get this motor for my Happijac back into service as a temporary / backup in case another one fails. Okay, the parts are as clean as I think I'm going to get them. Anyway, it's not something that needs to go back on one of the legs. It's just more of a backup. So I did clean the brushes. I can't remember the stator. Brushes are cleaned up. They're nice and lubricated now, up and down. Now I'm gonna need to install this together. So time to take the socket out of the way. This is the part that's complicated, but I'll get it done. Then I can just go like this. Push that out of the way, push that one out of the way. So the top of this thing, I don't think it was corrosion. It's more like some sealant that the company put to try to prevent water from getting in. But water did get in. As you can tell, the inside it's still a bit rusty, but like I said, this is not to be perfect. This is just my backup leg, backup motor. So, not hard. Short end, long end. Long end, short end. Kind of obvious. So let's slide this baby down in there. Line up the holes. Tap that in. I'm going to try popping that nut off. There we go. It'd be easier to screw it that way. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, we have success. We have one motor installed, or put back together. Put that to the side. 70 amps, this baby's taken. That didn't make a difference. Oh yeah, it does. Wow. I'm impressed. Actually, I think I fixed it. Woohoo! So they had put some, I don't know what it was, but it was harder than all, whatever. So I'm just gonna put, you guessed it, my black silicone. There it is. This has an O-ring, which should prevent water from coming in, so I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to drop this bad boy here. Oh, this is interesting. I gotta line up 3 holes. Oh, sorry, camera. As you can see, this O-ring is done. But the goal was not to put this back into service. The goal was to put this, or fix it, to see if I could fix it. Is it perfect? Hell no. Does it work? Hell yes. I'm actually really happy because once I clean this up, put this bad boy back on, seal it up because I cut it. Next time I'll be able to do something different. I'll have to tape this one up, but next time I won't cut it. Damn, I think I fixed it. Still need to put some more silicone, but I mean, that's besides the point. I'll have to get some white this time. But I fixed the unfixable. I'm very happy with the outcome. Wow. So I think I got a bunch of O-rings, but the goal was to see if I could fix that motor, and I did. Hope you enjoyed. Would I recommend fixing it? Nope. Glad I did. Now I know that I can. It is fixable because it was just a bad contact brush. It was easy fix. But you cannot take this apart without making some damages. So enjoy. Oh, P.S. If you do actually do this job, you're on your own.